Okay, so let's continue with our next video in our coding exercise series. So in this video, we will solve the problem Beautiful Days at the Movies, so which is on the HackerRank, and it is also the easy category question. So let's read the question. Lily likes to play games with integer. She has created a new game where she determined the difference between a number and its reverse. So there is a one girl who is playing some games with the integers, and as part of that game, what she is doing just doing a difference between a number and its reverse. Right. For example, if she picked the number 12, then the reverse is 21. Then the difference is 9. 21 minus 12. If the number is 120 and the reverse is 21, uh, basically the reverse is 0 to 1, but in terms of integer, it's 21 only. So the difference is 99. So she decided to play her game to make any decision. She will look at the number range of days and will only go to the movie on a beautiful day. So there is could be some days given, and she will go to movie. She will go to watch a movie only on a beautiful day. But what is a beautiful day? So beautiful numbers are defined as the number where I minus reverse I, because I minus reverse I means because what she was doing, she is taking a number and doing its reverse. So if she pick a number and reverse it and take an absolute of the number, right? Because otherwise, if you take 12, then the reverse is 21. 12 minus 21, it could be negative. But you should not take negative number. You can take the absolute. So it doesn't matter whether you subtract 12 minus 21 or 21 minus 12. Answer should be 9 only. So we will take a absolute. And if she divide it by k, so k is some number, right? So that is also given. So days are given, and then some k is given. So if let's suppose you have some days are given, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. If she pick first number, reverse it, subtract it, and whatever the value will come after taking an absolute of the difference, if she divide and it is evenly divide, then it is called as a beautiful number, or it is called as a beautiful day. So you need to tell, basically return the number of beautiful days. So as an example, let's suppose you have given number 20, 23, and 6. So 20 is the starting day, 23 is the end day. So you have basically what are the number of days? 20, 21, 22, 23. So you have given 4 days. If you see, I is the starting day number, J is the ending day number, and 6 is the K. So you have to find, okay, from 20 to 23, basically out of 4 days, how many are the beautiful days? So how you are going to find? So you will check each and every day. So you will check 20. All right. And how to find the beautiful day? What we will do? We will take a 20 minus reverse of 20. We will take an absolute and then try to divide by k. So we will pick, so we have like 4 days, 20, 21, 22, 23. So we will pick first 20, right? We will do the reverse. So the reverse of 20 is 2. We will take an absolute. So absolute is 18. We will try to divide by 6, and the answer is 3. So it's fully divisible, or better, you in the Python we can take a modulus. If the modulus will become 0, then it is like evenly divisible, right? So we got 3, or you can say the remainder is 0. So we got one beautiful day. Then we pick the next number, 21. The reverse of 21 is 12. The difference is 9. And then divided by 6 is 1.5. So basically not a beautiful day. Then 22. 22, the reverse is also 22. 22 by minus 22, 0. Divided by 6, the answer will be 0. So basically even number. So till now you have two beautiful days. The last is 23. 23 minus 32, 9. 9 divided by 6, 1.5. So which is not an even number. Not an even number means not fully divisible. So it's here it is mentioned evenly divisible, not an even number. Evenly divisible, basically you are like the remainder should be 0. So out of 4, you found only two a beautiful day. So the answer is 2. So it's very easy question. So what you will do is, so you will do take a total beautiful days which we have to calculate. We will take a count as a 0. Then you will run a loop for I in range, because I is the starting point, which is the starting day, or D in I. and till j plus 1, because in the Python, if you take j, then ideally the loop will run j minus 1, right? So you have to take j plus 1, right? So you have to check for each and every number. Then what you will do, you will find the reverse of d. You will find the reverse of d. So how you find the reverse of d? So the easiest way is, let's suppose you have like it's an integer, right? So we can consider as a string as well, right? So what you will do is, we will take a string of the particular number, and to reverse a string, it's very easy in Python. You will just do colon colon minus one, and once you get the string, you will again convert into the integer, because the difference operator will only work on the integer, right? And then we will check if absolute of d minus reverse of d modulus k equal to 0. If it is become 0, then we will increase one value and then return total beautiful days. So it will pick the first number, find the reverse, get that number and the reverse of that number. So it will take a difference, absolute difference, try to find if it is evenly divisible or not. If it is divisible, then we will increment by one, then the second number, then the third number, and at the end we are going to like return the total number of beautiful. So let's try to run the code. So sample test cases has been passed, so let's try to submit it just to test all the test cases. So all the test case has been passed. So this is like straightforward question, not a very much difficult category question, uh, though the description looks very big, but it is a straightforward question. So this is one approach. So maybe like the interviewer might ask, so don't use the string operation to find the reverse. All right. So then you have to follow some another approach. You have to run a while loop. You will take a modulus. You will divide by 10. So basically, a different method, basically a kind of a mathematical operation you need to perform to find the reverse. So what you can do is you can create a different function. Let's suppose reverse reversed, and take a number, and this is going to return the reverse of particular number, and some logic will become here, and here you can ignore this line, and here you can call that particular function reversed of d. So kind of like this kind of like a thing you can do. So basically you can remove this, right? And here so because you already define a function to find a reverse, so you will do d minus the particular function. It will do a reverse, it will find a reverse of that function, reverse of that particular number, return the value, then you will do the normal operation, that is basically the absolute difference, try to divide by k, which is like easy. So that's it, that's the end of the video, and thank you.